Just the sound you want to hear on a cold, chilly night. Flavorful, full of herbs, perfect for the night, and ready under 30 minutes. I'll show you exactly how. After adding some oil to the pan, we'll go ahead and add the two chopped onions in. We'll saute them until they're translucent, lightly brown, and then we'll go ahead and add the washed chicken that I cut into a little bit more uh, smaller pieces. We'll saute this until the chicken changes color to white, and then we'll add about 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Cook the chicken for a few minutes with ginger garlic and then add the spices, salt, some haldi powder, some coriander powder, and of course the main ingredient, black pepper powder. I grind that at home just because the fresh black pepper grounded is just absolutely flavorful, so beautiful. So if you're able to, I highly recommend that you grind it at home. If you're not able to, there's no harm in using the outside one. They give a lot of flavor as well. Once the spices are all settled in with the chicken, I added about half a cup of yogurt. We'll give that a nice stir so everything is all mixed. The yogurt is what gonna create the gravy and gonna mix all those spices and everything into the chicken. So we'll go ahead and put the tomatoes on top. I have 2 tomatoes that I cut into half, and then 1 green chili. We'll add that and we'll cover and we'll leave it so on the steam builds, and it's gonna make the tomato peel softer so we can just pull out the peel and mash the tomatoes in there. Sometimes you actually have to do this process about 2 times for me, or sometimes 3 times, just because I get nervous that what if the chicken burns because I'm not able to stir it. So over here too, I had to do it twice to get the peel actually off. So it worked the second time. It was soft enough, so I just took the peel off and I mashed the tomatoes. So that created a nice paste, a nice gravy for you to scoop up with your naan or your rice. It just gives it so much flavor. The ginger garlic, the tomatoes, the green pepper, the black pepper. It's just so good for you, especially when there's sickness going around. It's cold out there. All these ingredients are the ones that actually help you with healing. So that's the reason I crushed the black pepper at home. It just has so much more nutrients in it. The ginger and the garlic, make sure you keep it on the little bit extra side. The haldi powder, all of these things are really good to kill a cold. So make sure to use them in a little generous manner. Believe it or not, under 30 minutes, your black pepper chicken karahi is ready for you to eat. If you prefer naan or white rice or any other sorts of rice, you are free to eat it with whatever you prefer. And there you have it, all set karahi for your weeknight dinner on a cold, cold, chilly night. If you try it, make sure to comment below and tell me how you like the recipe. And if you want to check out more curry recipes or protein recipes, make sure to check out my channel and subscribe for more recipes.